plays the guitar as well as Andres Segovia. So आपने यहाँ पे as को जैसे हमने आपको क्वेश्चन बताया था कि आपने as और then को as clue यूज़ करके सही फॉर्म इस्तेमाल करनी है, तो you just write this is as well. A new house is much more expensive than an older one. So आपने then के साथ comparison में जो फॉर्म बनाई है वो है more expensive. Question 5 is last week was as hot as this week. So we have as here as a clue. So यहाँ पर जो इसका comparison में बनेगा that is as hot. It's not then here, so आप यहाँ पे hotter नहीं बना सकते. It's just as hot as this week. The question 6, Martha is more talented than her cousin. We have then here as a clue, so we make it more talented than her cousin. Question 7, Bill's description are more colorful than his wife's. So it's more colorful because we have then as a clue here in the sentence. Question 8, nobody is happier than Maria. So it is the word happy here. So and the Maria then is here. We have accordingly we can make it happier. If it was as here, we can say it is as happy as Maria, because then you know according to as and then कि आपने क्या equal comparison draw करना है या unequal comparison create करना है. Question 9 is the boys felt worse than the girls about losing the game. So again it's then. So accordingly आपने comparative form यहाँ पे create करनी है. Bad की worse होती है. You cannot make it more bad or less bad. Question 10 is greyhound runs faster than a chihuahua. So again आपने then था तो आपने comparative form of adjective लिखी है. So this was exercise 1 जिसमें हमने as और then को clue के तौर पे यूज़ करते हुए सही form of comparison create की with the adjective and adverbs given in parentheses. अब second exercise हमारे पास है जिसके अंदर हमने as then as और from को हर sentences के अंदर place करना है. Again इसमें हमारे पास adjectives को हम as a clue देखेंगे कि हमने sentence construction कैसे करनी है, whether it's equal comparison or unequal comparisons and regardless. So हमारे पास 10 question की exercise है. Pause your video here, fill these 5 blanks in with either of these 3 in all them, and then proceed further to these 5 questions. So once you are done, then हम इसके answers को start करेंगे कि हमने किस तरीके से इसको study करना है. So for those who are done with the answers by now, अब हम start करते हैं. Now that we come on to the answers, now start and discuss the answers. The first question was the Empire State Building is taller than the Statue of Liberty. So is taller, it's about an unequal comparison. We have a comparative form, so the word then comes here because of unequal comparison. Second question is California's farther than New York than Pennsylvania. Again, it's an unequal comparison, so with this superlative comparative form, the word then comes in. Question 3 is his assignment is different from mine. So is different from is opposite. It's the same of equal comparison but in opposite sense, so the word from comes in. It can never be is different than. Question 4, Louis reads more quickly than his sisters. So more quickly is an unequal comparison, so the word then is used here. Question 5, no animal is so big as King Kong. It's an example of equal comparison, so the word so followed by adjective and the word as comes in. It can be as big as if we have to make equal comparison but in the positive sense. It's an example of an equal comparison. It's an equal comparison but in the negative sense. Question 6, that report is less impressive than the government's. Again, the less impressive is a structure for the unequal comparison with an intensifier, so the word then comes in. Question 7, Sam wears the same shirt as his teammates. So again, it's an example of equal comparison, so the word as should be here before your nouns in the sentence. Question 8 is Dave paints much more realistically than his professor. It's an example of unequal comparison. We can study from these more realistically and much intensifiers, so we have to use the word then here. Question 9, the twins have less money at the end of the month than they have at the beginning. It's an example of equal comparison with these modifiers less, so we just have to place the word then here. Question 10, her sports car is different from Nancy's. It is again example of equal comparison. And since the word is different from, हमेशा यूज़र को कभी different than use नहीं होगा. It's the same as if you use the word the same as Nancy's or the same as को different from लिख सकते हैं. It's the opposite, but again it can never be different than. So that's how you have to place the word as, then and from in all these blanks. If all this makes sense, like to my video, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. I hope अब आपको comparison के बारे में कोई ambiguity नहीं होगी. If you have still some left, you may write on in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video.